This video will go over the instructions for the Unit 1 personal essay assignment, the summative assignment for Unit 1 in English 101. You are going to be writing an essay that relates your own life and experiences to the ideas or concepts in the article that you've been assigned in Unit 1. That would be Reading 1 or R1. In this particular semester, when I'm recording this video, the reading is Struggle for Smarts, but your semester may use a different reading. So check the assignment instructions and make sure that you are referring to whatever your R1 is. You are going to complete some pre-writing steps before you submit your final essay. That involves completely annotating the original reading, creating an outline of your ideas, and turning in a progress checkpoint, which might be this first draft assignment, or it might be a progress checklist, or some other progress check as assigned by your instructor. In order to complete this assignment, you're going to want to read Struggle for Smarts, or whatever R1 is, and then choose one of the essay writing prompts available for this essay. So you can access that by clicking the link here, or you can find it in the left-hand sidebar. There should be multiple prompts for you to choose from, and you should read through them and decide which one you want to be the theme of your essay. The prompts are all going to relate to that reading, R1. So they may be these prompts, or it may be something different in your semester, but you'll want to choose one that you think is interesting. You're going to do your annotation and then do your outline. There are several resources available to help you with outlining. There's a personal essay planner that will help you organize your ideas, and then you can turn in the outline itself and get feedback from your instructor. But then your final step in the process is going to be turning in the actual final essay. So there is a sample essay here under the samples. You can see a sample first draft, some sample notes from an instructor, and a sample final draft. So the final draft should look like this. You are going to have a full APA title page. You are going to include a title at the top of the body of the paper. You're going to use indented paragraphs. You should have an introduction, at least 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Your essay needs to be a minimum of 2 full written pages in APA format, which means, very specific font, size, and spacing. So double-spaced, 1-inch margins. You are going to have to refer to the article that you read and connect it to your own life and experiences. So you'll be using references to the text as you go through your essay. You're going to want to tie your ideas back to the original text and include APA citations. And at the end of your essay, you'll need to include a references page that lists the APA reference entry for the article that you read. There will probably be other resources in the course available to help you with that. There might be an APA video for Unit 1, or there might be an APA template for Unit 1. Keep an eye out on whatever resources your instructor has provided for you. The essay itself will be graded based on the personal essay rubric, so make sure that you take a look at that and understand what is being included in the grade. The introduction, the thesis, the content of the essay itself, your conclusion, the organization of the overall essay, your APA formatting, the development of your ideas throughout the essay, standard written English, and evidence of revision. Have you worked to improve the essay as part of your revision process, from the outline to the draft to the final. So this is what your instructor is going to be grading your final essay on. If you have any questions about this assignment, please reach out to your instructor and let me know if you have any questions.